Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add Wi-Fi network manually on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to go here on the search bar and then search for control panel. Now, once you search for control panel, we're going to click on open. And then once you click on open in this part, just look for view by and then make sure that you choose large icons. Now, in this part, we're going to look for Network and Sharing Center. So we're going to click on that also. And then in this part, you will see Set up a network connection or network. So we're going to click on that. And then once you click that, you will see this manually connect to a wireless network. So we're going to click on that also, and then click Next. And then for the network name, just put your network name right there. So let's say, for example, it is 123. So just put your name right there. Once you put it on the security type, just choose the security type of your network. So just choose the options that we have right here. And then for the security key, just put your internet password. So let's say, for example, it is 123ABC. And then for this, make sure that you check Start this connection automatically and then click on Next. After that, once you do that, what we're going to do next is to go here on the bottom right corner of the screen and then click our Wi-Fi icon. And then in this part, I just look for the Wi-Fi right here, and then you should now be able to see it right there. So all you have to do is to connect it. After that, that is basically it.